How to fix GCash app code WV1 error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix GCash app code WV1 error. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, tap and hold GCash app on your device. Tap App Info, and on this App Info page, tap Storage Uses and make sure to clear all the cache and data. Once done, come back to the settings page, tap Battery Uses, and then tap Force Stop to force stop GCash app. Once you have done that, you need to head over Play Store or App Store. Once it opens, tap on the search icon at bottom right corner, tap search bar at top, and type in GCash to find the updates of GCash. If there is any, tap update button and then update the app. Lastly, you need to restart your device, and once done, you will successfully fix the errors on GCash app. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.